Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur IFC, Irwin's French Class. Aujourd'hui dans cette vidéo, nous continuons avec le passé composé avec un nouvel auxiliaire, a brand new auxiliary, être, that is going to change a few things compared to avoir that we covered in previous videos. As usual, we are also going to do some fun activities to revise and practice. C'est parti! Please consider this short story in the passé composé about Lucie. Hier, Lucie a téléphoné à Marie pour aller au cinéma. Ensemble, elles ont choisi un film. Lucie est sortie de chez elle et elle est allée chercher son amie. Elles sont arrivées au cinéma à 20h et elles ont adoré le film. As you can see in this short story, all the verbs are conjugated in the passé composé tense. There are two kinds of verbs. Those conjugated with avoir and those conjugated with être. Please have a close look to the past participles of both categories. With avoir, we learned in previous videos that the past participle does not change. It is the same throughout, regardless gender and number. So, Lucie a téléphoné and elles ont adoré have the same ending at the past participle, despite the fact that Lucie is feminine singular and elle is feminine plural. What about the verbs with être? What do you notice? Elle est allée. Elles sont arrivées. Look at the endings of the past participles. E for elle est allée. ES for elles sont arrivées. So you need to remember that rule is the most important part. When a verb is conjugated with être in the passé composé, the past participle agrees with the subject in gender and number. Here is the conjugation chart of aller that is conjugated with être in the passé composé tense with all the possible agreements. So let's repeat that together. Je suis allé. You see, you may need to add an extra e. Je could be either masculine or feminine, but always singular. All right? Let's carry on. Tu es allé. Il est allé. Elle est allée. On est allé. And also please note that you can also do the liaison over here. Je suis allé. That's fine. Okay, both are possible. You need to pick your team. Je suis allé. Tu es allé. Il est allé. Elle est allée. On est allé. Let's carry on with the plural forms now. And you will have to add an S. Okay? Nous sommes allés. S possible. Nous can be anything. Okay? So it can be plural, masculine, feminine. Vous, same. Everything is possible. Vous can be either singular. That would be a formal version of tu, right? Remember? So, so it's singular. So it could be either masculine or feminine. All right? It can also be plural if it's a group of people you are talking to. Okay? So, and masculine and feminine as well. So, vous êtes allés, that's right. Ils sont allés, elles sont allées. The negative follows the same pattern as seen before with avoir. So, you're going to use the negation of être and the past participle. For example, let's repeat this together. Je ne suis pas arrivé avant le début du cours. Nous ne sommes jamais allés en France. Ils ne sont pas partis. The interrogative structure is also the same as per avoir. For example, intonation up. Tu es allé en France? Ask a question with the interrogative word at the start. Let's do it. Quand est-ce qu'ils sont arrivés? Next one with the inversion. So you're going to do the inversion with the auxiliary, just like with avoir, okay? À quelle heure sont-ils partis? Now that you have all the structures and the main rule of agreement to remember and apply, the question is, Which verbs do we conjugate with être? Well, there is a limited list of verbs that are conjugated with être, but of course, they are super common, like aller, arriver, venir. In my classes, I like to use this mnemonic technique. Dr. and Mrs. Van der Trump. Each letter stands for a verb. Devenir, revenir, monter, rentrer, sortir, venir, arriver, naître, descendre, entrer, retourner, tomber, rester, aller, mourir, partir. As per the past participle forms, here they are. You will notice that most of them are regular, so the ER ending verbs become E, accent aigu, IR becomes I, RE becomes U. A few exceptions to that, so we have a few irregular past participle forms here. Venir is the first one to notice. Venir becomes venu, and it's derivated, devenir, devenu, revenir, revenu. We also have naître, né, and mourir, mort. And mort is the only one ending with a consonant. So it's the only one that is going to be pronounced differently between masculine and feminine. Mort, morte. All the others, they will be pronounced the same way. Unfortunately, you need to memorize the verbs conjugated with être along with their past participles, of course. However, don't worry, it will get easier with practice. And talking about it, let's do some activities. For the first one, I'm going to give you some verbs to conjugate in the passé composé to form sentences. Par exemple, nous partir vers 3 heures. So you got to conjugate partir in the passé composé at the nous form. Alright? Nous sommes partis vers 3 heures. That's right. And be careful. Don't forget the agreement in writing. Okay? Nous sommes partis. You will have to add an S. Okay? Nous is always plural, but it could be either masculine or feminine. So you may also need to add an E in there. Alright? Okay, let's do it. Let's do the rest. Je venir ce matin. Je suis, perfect. Je suis. Venir, be careful, is irregular. Je suis venu, that's right, that was the past participle of venir. Je suis venu ce matin. And you may need to add an E. Okay, je could be singular, feminine. Alright? Elle, partir hier. Be careful, the plural form. Elles sont, très bien, elles sont parties, ES at the end, elles sont parties hier. Next one. Il, devenir, to become, devenir prof. Ils, plural, ils sont devenus, that's right, okay, it's based on venir, which is irregular. Ils sont devenus profs. Don't forget the S at devenu. Vous, and you're going to use the singular feminine, so the formal conversation over here, okay? Vous allez au cinéma. So it's going to be singular and feminine, all right? Vous êtes allés with an E at the end, all right? Vous êtes allés au cinéma? Yes, that was a question. Tu descendre du bus. Tu es, that's right, tu es descendu du bus. Descendre, regular, past participle. You drop RE and you add an U. And tu could also be feminine. Don't forget, you may need to add an E, okay? Il montait dans le bus. Il est monté dans le bus. That's right. Julie et Marie arrivés. Julie et Marie sont arrivés. ES, that's right. Feminine and plural. Elle, naître en octobre. Elle est What was the past participle of naître? Irregular. Elle est née, that's right, don't forget the E. Elle est née en octobre. Ils mourir l'année dernière. Il est, that's right, il est. What was the past participle of mourir? Mort, okay. Il est mort l'année dernière. And please be careful with the pronunciation. If it was feminine, elle est morte. Okay, you add an E and that makes you pronounce the consonant before it, yes? Elle est morte, il est mort. Okay? Let's do the other one. Ils restaient chez moi. Ils sont, that's right, ils sont restés, E accent aigu, S. Ils sont restés chez moi. Alright, let's carry on. Je rentrais tôt. Je suis rentré tôt. Okay, so you may need to add an E over here. Okay? Elle tombait de sa chaise. Elle est, that's right, elle est tombée with an extra E. Elle est tombée de sa chaise. For the second activity, we will look at Sophie's day yesterday. Be careful, you will have to choose the auxiliary between être and avoir because yes, in this activity we have verbs that are using one or the other, okay? So let's start. It's always about Sophie, so we can use elle or Sophie, that's fine, okay? So, Sophie arrivait au bureau vers 8 heures. Sophie est arrivée extra E, alright, and that's être, that's right. Sophie est arrivée au bureau vers 8 heures. Allumer son ordinateur. Allumer is to switch on. Ordinateur, computer. Elle is allumée one of the Dr. and Mrs. Van der Trump verbs? Non, so avoir. Elle a allumé son ordinateur, perfect. Répondre à ses emails? Is répondre one of the Dr. and Mrs. Van der Trump verbs? No, so you keep going with avoir then. Elle a répondu, okay, regular past participle, répondre, you drop RE, you add an U. Elle a répondu à ses emails. Aller dans une réunion. Réunion, it's a meeting. Aller, one of the Dr. and Mrs. Van der Trump? Yes. Être then. Elle est allée, you need to add an extra E, don't forget the agreement with être, okay, with the subject. Elle est allée dans une réunion, parler avec ses collègues, parler, être ou avoir? Avoir, okay, don't hesitate, it's not one of the Dr. and Mrs. Van der Trump verbs, okay. Elle a parlé avec ses collègues. Revenir, être, okay. Elle est revenue, don't forget the E, elle est revenue à son bureau, okay? She got back to her desk. Okay, let's carry on. Préparer des documents. It's going to be avoir, yes. Elle a préparé des documents. Sortir pour aller aux toilettes. Sortir, être, yes. Elle est sortie, don't forget the E, elle est sortie pour aller aux toilettes. Aller déjeuner, aller, we did it already. Être, ok. Elle est allée déjeuner, don't forget the E, elle est allée déjeuner. Elle retournait au bureau. Retourner, Dr. and Mrs. Van der Trump, yes. Elle est retournée, E, extra E, ok, agreement, au bureau. Vendre des billets d'avion. Vendre, avoir, elle a vendu des billets d'avion. Partir, with être, ok. Elle est partie du bureau à 6 heures. Sortir, être. Elle est sortie avec une amie. Rentrer, être. Elle est rentrée chez elle vers 10 heures. Voilà les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. Don't forget mon pouce bleu and subscribe to the channel to show your support. À la prochaine, à plus, ciao.